Yeah, this is a CLS 2019. We have installed the DragonFly steering wheel with AMG AGA buttons. So we turn on the engine, we can see these buttons are turned on. Actually, this car is manufactured in 2019, so the old steering wheel is not like that. It's later I show you the photo of the old steering wheel. And after we install this one, we make all the buttons perfectly working in this car, including the limit cruise control. You can see, right? Limit cruise control. You can set the speed when the car is running. So these buttons working, these buttons all working, these buttons all working perfectly. Yeah. And this button, left and right, yeah, all smooth. Like press, okay. Then choose classic, choose progressive, press home. Then we go to navigation like this, or we choose the trip to see the speedometer, to see the mileage or speedometer. Today is 2024, yeah, 6th of June. And let's continue explain these buttons. Actually, when we start the engine, we see the default driving mode is individual. The reason is inside the individual, you can set over here. You can choose different settings. Yeah, individual configurations. You can choose the drive is Eco or Sport Plus. Right? You can choose the transmission to D or manual. You can also choose the suspension from Comfort, Sport or Sport Plus. Exhaust system, Comfort or Sport Plus. ESP, Comfort or Sport. These things you can set. So once you set, which is a preferred driving mode, default driving mode, then every time you start your car, then it's in this driving mode. So that means in this case, you can set any driving mode as your default driving mode. This is a Eco, this is a Comfort Eco, down. Okay, after that, if you continue scroll, nothing happen. Okay, go up. After you reach to the individual, yeah, it also the topmost. You still can rotate this knob, but it won't like changing any driving mode. This is the right button, how it works. And for the left button, actually, if you look clearly, let me open the door a bit. Yeah, let me show you this, how this switch looks like. Actually, there are another two switch over here. See, which is can press in this way, right? And the screen you also can change. You can change to the exhaust. You toggle. If you change to the exhaust, then you can toggle the exhaust. You see, to the Sport Plus, to the Comfort, to the Sport Plus, to the Comfort, to the Sport Plus. Yeah, this is the so-called transmission. You can choose to D or manual gear, D or manual gear, D or manual gear. Okay, this is how you can toggle, right? This is a auto start stop, on off. Okay, this is the ESP, off on. This is a suspension, Sport Plus, Comfort, Sport Plus, Comfort, Sport Plus, Sport Plus, Comfort. Okay, so whichever you want, you can toggle in between these two. Okay, now let's try to change the driving mode. You can see we are in individual. In the Sport, these two all changed. In the Sport Plus, now it's a Sport. You see, Eco. So this is how these things changing. Okay, individual, like this way. So you can toggle these two switches below, let you be able easy to like change this behavior. Okay, so this is how this AGA button works. Yeah, this is in the old pre-facelift CLS450. You can install these two buttons. Yeah, make it like AMG one. And this is a new type DragonFly steering wheel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.